I have never actually stayed at Universal's Cabana Bay. Since hotel rates are dirt cheap, plus I found a friend to split it with me, and I'm moderately curious enough to see how check-ins and facilities and whatnot work during a global pandemic at a hotel. Ladies and gentlemen, here is a full tour of Universal's Cabana Bay. Alright, so we just arrived here at Cabana Bay. My friend joining me this weekend is Haley. Hey! And it looks like it's time to check in. So we just went ahead and checked in, and we're gonna wait just a little bit longer so we can get a better view, because that's important. Just like most resorts, they have a arcade. Looks pretty darn cool. And they're social distancing the arcade, thank goodness. Something that makes this resort pretty interesting though. They have their very own bowling alley right here. That is insane, and we're probably gonna end up doing some bowling on our stay here. We're looking at $11.99 for 45 minutes. So they have two pools here, and this one is actually only open on weekends. I'm filming this on a Sunday, so chances are we're gonna be hitting that one as soon as we get into our room and can get changed into some swimsuits. They have a water slide. Over here you'll find the Bayliner Diner. Here's a look at their lunch and dinner menu. That Mediterranean flatbread looks really good. Ahi tuna bowl, ultimate grilled cheese. Oh cool, okay, so they have also some vegetarian options over here with the Beyond Burger. They also have a bacon cheeseburger, Cabana Bay burger. Yeah, I might be coming back for that Mediterranean flatbread. You hungry?
Yeah.
Let's go get some food.
Okay.
Alright, so Haley got this tuna salad, and I got this, look how good this looks. This is the Mediterranean flatbread that I was talking about earlier. Oh my god. We also picked up a Cabana Bay resort cup, which is $15.99 for 3 days, or it's $18.49. Gotta get that, you know, change correctly for the length of your entire stay, and it's completely unlimited refills. Alright, and just like that, I got our reservation room is ready text, and we are in the Americana building, so we will see you there. And here it is. We got a closet over here, hangers and an ironing board, whatnot. Here's the two beds. Over here with our nightstand, the phone, the clock. We even got our own hand sanitizer. Got Universal's version of a resort TV. Got a little coffee maker over here. Over here we got the sink and the soap and whatnot. Even got a blow dryer connector to the wall. This is our bathroom over here. Shower. Looking good. But this is what I'm most excited about. Look at this Volcano Bay view. This is what we waited a little bit extra to get, and oh my gosh, it's beautiful. You got the other tower over there, rest of the hotel, and this amazing view of Volcano Bay. We also got a really good view of the other pool and the lazy river. Yes, this hotel has a lazy river. Which I believe is enough for me to say, let's go ahead and get changed, get in our swimsuits, and go hop in the pool. We're now over by the main pool, the arguably busier pool. You know, it's a real shame that we missed the water slide hours here, and today is the last day that it will be open because it's only open on Saturdays and Sundays. Sad face. Oh well, guess we're gonna have to stay again. So our cloud situation's not looking good. They said they spotted a couple of bolts of lightning. At least we were able to get into one of the pools. And sure enough, just as I feared, the minute we got to that other pool, lightning was busting out everywhere, and they ended up closing the other pool and the lazy river. So I'm thinking maybe we just call it a night, but also take a really early morning dip inside of a lazy river. Good morning, everybody, once again. Well, after a wonderful, relaxing night here at Cabana Bay, as promised, we are now going to go check out the other pool and the lazy river. Alright, so we've now made our way to the other pool. We're also renting a float. As you can see, these are some of your different options. Here it is. Here's what I'm going to be floating down the lazy river with. Cool thing about this too, make sure that you pick your favorite, because whenever you return it and you're done with it, they give you a completely brand new one in a package that you can take home. Now this is pure relaxation. Whole video, or at least the last section of it, is just going to be me getting absolutely soaked.
Because I'm in control of the floaty.
That's terrifying.
I'm the king of the floaty. I'm the king of the floaty. Well, you guys, that will about do it for our amazing tour here of Cabana Bay. Go ahead and subscribe down below for weekly adventures. Ring that little bell icon for notifications on every single episode. You guys have a great day.